Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Have you ever seen those beautiful, tiny potatoes in shades of purple, red, and yellow? They're often called gemstone potatoes, and they truly live up to the name. These little gems aren't just pretty to look at. They're packed with flavor and make a fantastic side dish for any meal. Today, we'll walk through the easiest way to prepare them, ensuring they are delicious every time. Getting started is really straightforward. First, rinse your beautiful potatoes well under cold water just to get them nice and clean. Then, depending on their size, you can leave the smallest ones whole, but consider cutting larger ones in half or even quarters so they cook evenly. Finally, toss them generously with a quality olive oil, a good sprinkle of salt, and some fresh black pepper. Make sure every single potato gets a lovely coat. Now for the magic part, roasting. You'll want to preheat your oven to a nice, hot 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature helps them get that perfect crispy exterior. Spread your seasoned potatoes on a baking sheet in a single layer, giving them plenty of room. Roast for about 20 to 30 minutes, giving them a good flip halfway through until they're beautifully tender and golden brown. While simple is delicious, you can easily elevate your gemstone potatoes. Consider tossing in some fresh rosemary or thyme sprigs right before they go into the oven. The aroma is just incredible. For a lovely savory depth, add a few smashed garlic cloves to the mix. If you like a little heat, a pinch of smoked paprika or a few chili flakes can really wake them up. Experiment and find your favorite combination. And just like that, you have a truly beautiful and delicious side dish ready to enjoy. These roasted gemstone potatoes are perfect alongside roasted chicken, grilled fish, or even a hearty vegetarian meal. They also taste fantastic chilled, tossed into a fresh green salad for extra color and texture. However you choose to serve them, these little gems are sure to be a hit. So go ahead, give them a try soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.